What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm pretty much gonna be picking up where I left off because last video I put on my coilovers and the tie rods did not fit the OEM ones, so I bought some progress ones that are specifically for these. And I also did buy some new camber arms for the rear because those were just totally destroyed. They were messed up. I'll show you when I took them off. The bushings are split. So I got some new ones. Let me go ahead and show you guys. Alright, so these are the tie rods that I was talking about. These are actually longer than the OEM ones. The OEM ones stop like right around here. So these are longer and these actually fit. See, this is just one size. The OEM ones kind of taper larger or down, I guess. Obviously came with two. And these are the camber arms, the control arms for the rear, Megan Racing. I actually really like the way they package these. The other ones that I have on, I think they're True Hearts, or I don't remember what brand, but these came in a really nice packaging, and the paint, the finish is super nice. Like, it's bright. It's got that metallic flakiness on it. I mean, this is gonna be under the car. It's gonna get dirty. You're not gonna see it, but first impressions do matter, right? They're super nice. Came with two of these, the other one. And since I was already gonna do suspension again, might as well get some lug nuts. Got these SR 48s. These are nice, red. Super net. Alright guys, so this is the tie rod I was talking about. You see right here, it doesn't fully seat. You see there's still room in to reach the boot. It doesn't go all the way down. So the new ones are just gonna go straight in, and then you're just gonna tighten this. You see this too, you can't even put the cotter pin in there. So yeah, there's also a nut behind this. I don't know if you guys can see that right here. That side, that nut right there is actually a 15/16. I use the wrench. I do it from the top because it's actually easier. If you come in from the top, you see, you kind of have more room right here. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. And I'll show you guys how it's gonna look when it's already installed. Alright, so check this out. You see this one is a lot longer, has a lot more threads. This one will be able to stick out more because the problem that these had, they didn't go out far enough. So the wheels had toe, they weren't like this, they were kind of like this. It looks super weird, so this should fix that issue. This is the part that I was talking about, the taper. See on this one, it has this little, right here, this piece kind of gets fatter and wider. And this one's just straight all around. So this will fit nicely in there. This one did not. So came with the nuts, the castle nut, the locking nut, and cotter pin. Alright, so pretty much this one, it's pretty simple. I already took off the old one. You're just gonna go ahead and put it in here, thread it in. And I'm gonna just thread it in a little bit just so I can kind of see it. But before that, you gotta put the nut on. Done. I'm going to put it in for now. I'm just going to slide it in right here. Turn that on. I'm not going to tighten anything yet. I'm just going to loosely put it on just so I can see it. And that's pretty much it. And then once you get your fitment dialed in right, just tighten this and tighten this down and you're done. Okay guys, so I came up with a problem with this. When I installed it, instead of the wheels being like this, they came out looking like this. So that means they're too long. So the OEM ones were too short. So now I'm gonna do a compromise and I'm gonna have to cut it right in between these two, I guess. So hopefully the threads go on after I cut it, but we'll see right now. Alright guys, so I just finished cutting it. I took out maybe about this much material. I didn't want to take off too much because I could always take out more. But this is pretty much how it turned out. It's not perfectly flat, but that's alright. I'm going to go ahead and install it. I'm going to do this to the other side, so hopefully I can get the alignment kind of right just until to get to a shop, but we'll see how it goes from now.
Take the metal piece off.
Alright, so I just installed the tie rods. We just finished cutting them. And it looks pretty good. It's, you know, the wheels are fairly straight, but I'm gonna go to an alignment shop later and get them actually aligned, but this is as close as I could get them. So I cut both of the tie rods. I only cut about maybe ½ an inch off of each one, and it turned out pretty good. These guys were helping me out. Couldn't have done it without them. Thanks guys. I didn't show taking these off, but it's really simple. It's just 1, 2, 3 bolts. They're all 3 of them are 17s, but I measured them so they would be around the same length. So my camber's pretty much the same. If they're kind of there somewhat, I'll get an alignment later. But look how messed up these are. I could twist them with my hand, and on the Megan one, it's super tight. Spherical bushing, so it's much stronger. This one just sucks. I don't even know what brand this is. I think it's probably Amazon. They've only been on the car for like 2 years, but they're pretty messed up. Alright guys, so I just finished. My friends just left. The car, I think, looks pretty good. We got the control arms in, the camber kit. This one has a little bit more camber, but that's okay. I'm gonna get it aligned anyway. Yeah, the tie rods fit good. There's no more excessive toe. Happy about that. Car's super dirty. I'm gonna go get it washed later on. Oh yeah, I like the way it looks. We got way more parts to install, guys, so stay tuned for that. It's just work. They just call me in to work now. So there it is. Next thing I'm gonna install is probably gonna be this K-Tune short shifter. It's the V2. It's pretty sick. And then I got my Megan Racing strut bar. That's gonna go on next too. So those are the next 2 things that are go on, and we'll go from there. Okay guys, so that's gonna wrap it up for this video. But I have a lot more parts to install, like those things that I just showed you guys, so make sure you stay tuned for those. Tomorrow I'm gonna go get it aligned, or probably the next day. We'll see. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.